Hi guys, in today's video I want to show you how to build for your storm shield defences for your Hill Amplifier, which is this one here. There's your valley, there's your pit, your bridge, and we're over in this corner here. Okay, this is the H amplifier on this map. Could be another one for you guys depending on how you've placed it. There's the lava down there. Okay, so this is the Hill amplifier. So today we're going to build for this. Alright, so to do that, if you just follow what I'm doing here, we're going to put some fins around this amplifier first of all, like so, and we'll put a couple of pieces on top here and on there. Okay, now we're going to need to put the arches on as well, all the way around, and then the fins, and we'll put those all the way around. Oh. Like so. Okay, and we'll put a roof on it as well. Right, so there's your basic system there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put a bumper block on this section here, like that. Okay, now that is literally the only place other than here that they can get up, and to get them to stop doing that there, what we shall do is, if you create a pyramid like so, place it there, that's literally it. Now on SSDs they might try and come through this, in endurance they do not, but what we're going to do is we're going to build for that to hopefully stop that from occurring. So if we go up so that we're 3 blocks high, see, okay, 1 2 3, we're going to put a roof on top like so, cover this entire area here, like that. You won't need to come out there because they won't be able to get there. There we go. There and there and there. Just continue. We'll just cover it all up like that. Right. Now, I sometimes use this as a nice little podium to throw from, so we'll just block that off there. And we could come out one more again. Like so. Won't need that one. And we won't need that one. We'll put another connection point there, so we've got a couple of connection points. We can put some flooring around this section here. We won't need to go too much further this way because they're only going to come, if they come from this direction, they're all going to start making their way this way anyway. Okay, now if this does work according to plan, what they should do is walk up to this and then just turn around and walk away, and then they'll make their way this way. So in fact we can put a couple of those there if we need to. They'll come around this way, and then they'll stare at this corner here and then turn back and walk back and do the loop and do it all over again, backwards and forwards. Okay, now it's up to you if you kill them off. I wouldn't say this is going to be a kill count wave, but you never know on a random. Okay, but the tyres that we're going to put up here should deal with that anyway. Okay, now in all intents and purposes this really is all you're going to need for the Hill amplifier. Now if you wanted to, you can send them all round up this slope and around this way if you wanted to, and to do that you would put a V-block system in like this, like so. Alright, and they should just literally walk up to this. We'll put another one here. They'll just walk up to that, turn around, and then make their way through this way, up the slope, and probably around that way, and towards the amplifier that way. But again, it's not necessary. They're going to basically get to the same point anyway, so I was just showing you what options you had if you wanted to have a little play, okay? But in this circumstance, we're just going to let them come around as normal. And then what we'll do on the back here as well, put one here. In fact, we won't put one there, we'll put one there. We'll put another one there. One there. Now notice how I'm not connecting this system to the amplifier, okay? Now that sometimes can help with smasher control. Alright, and then we'll put another one down there, because if we get any flingers come around, we want to be able to tackle the flingers. So we put some flinger anti-air spots around here, okay? Now I'm running out of structures, as you see there, so I'll probably have to come and strip some of this back, because I've got a mixture of different builds in for different videos that I've done. I don't think that I'm running out of structures and I've still got one more amplifier to place or anything like that. This is just literally for video purposes at the moment, so yeah, not a problem. Right, so what I want to do now is I'll have all this upgraded, and then once it's all upgraded I will come back and we will trap it out, and that'll be it. Alright, so I'll speak to you in a mo. So 3, 2, 1, and okay. Right, so first things first, let's put some tyres on here. Like so. Right. Now it's up to you what you put on these. You can put wooden floor spikes, you can put freezes, retractables, anything you want really. I mean, we could put another one. Oh, I think we found ourselves another point where we can't place anymore. This has been since V20. We've always been able to place something here up until recently, so I'll have to put that as a bug later. Okay. Right, now it's up to you. You can again put more kill there if... Oh, another one, look. In fact, I knew about that one. So we'll just add the traps accordingly. Right, so we'll put a zapper there. We'll put a zapper there. We'll then put our anti-airs Notice how I turned around then. I wanted to make sure you always got your right shoulder to the direction of which you want the anti-airs to be fired or directed, so I say. So it's all about that split second. So we'll set them up like so. That one like that. We'll place that one like that. That one can be placed like so. So can that one. This one will place like that. and the last one there. Okay, right, so on these, what should we place, do you think? Let's go with, in fact, up here, before I move to the floors, we'll put some ceiling electric fields here. We're now 2 blocks high. Okay, now on these we can we'll put freezes. With effect duration. There we go. Right, now that's done, if they do go for the blockade here, what you would have to do to modify this is, I would say leave the blockade there, because it will cause any blockade that you put up that slows them down is better than nothing. Okay, so leave this here whatever happens, but if you do have a problem with that, all I would suggest you do is just close these 2 like so, and then place those 2 like so, and then 2 45s there. Alright, now you can put a sound wall on this with Hill, and you can put increase on the back if you wanted to. Always leave these fins as they are. Alright, you'd put wall launchers, or should I say floor launchers, you'd put floor launchers on these 2 and send them down there. Okay, and that should be it, because once they're down there, they're either going to drop down that way and walk back up and round, or they're going to come this way and follow the herd. If they do come around that way, obviously if the bumper block's gone, then they're not going to walk around there. Okay, they're just going to drop down there and walk back around. Okay, the tyres should help and solve most of the problems, but if you do have problems with the bumper block, like I say, just place 2 floors, 2 floor launchers, the 2 45s, close those 2 up, and then put a sound wall or something on this one. I don't think they wouldn't go around the back. All right, they'll attack this wall. All right, so that's that. Okay, so there is your Hill Amplifier for your Storm Shield defences, which will take you up to SSD 10. And then if you watch my next video, I do for this Hill Amplifier, it might not be my next video, but in the future videos I will be doing a Hill build for you, which will be similar to this. It'll just be a lot less, no traps on the roofs or anything like that. It's just going to be a simple system which will look very much like this, with the bumper block and stuff like that. Tried and tested, that works on endurance and it should be fine. Okay guys, if you found this video interesting, please like and subscribe, and consider using my supporter creator code 7SUP, which you'll see here. And if you want to join my Discord server, it's SDW Central. The link will be in the video's description and bolted onto the end of the video as usual. Thanks for watching guys, have fun, see you in the next one. Bye.